In this guide, I'll show you how to sign out and unlink your battle.net account from Overwatch 2. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go to Google, and then in search you want to type in battle.net login and go to search. From here you want to select battle.net login at the top. From here you want to sign into your battle.net account that's associated with your Overwatch 2 account using one of these third-party platforms, or you can use your email at the bottom. So once you're signed in, it'll bring you to this page, and what you want to do is have a look on the left sidebar and click on connections. So here's where you're going to see all the different platforms that are connected to your account, and in this example, I'm going to disconnect my Xbox One, but this works for Nintendo, PlayStation, Steam, and more. So I'm going to go to disconnect, and then it's going to give this warning saying, warning, there will be a 1-year cooldown before you can connect a new Xbox account. So if you're okay with the cooldown, go to disconnect. So now you can see my account's disconnected. So then you want to fully close out of Overwatch 2 on your respective gaming platform and open it up. Now that I'm on the home screen, I'm going to press play and it's going to try to load me into my account. But since I'm signed out and unlinked from my battle.net account, it's going to treat me as if I were a new player, asking me to sign up. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.